We made install so easy on our center cap, even my 6-year-old can do it. The first step is to bolt the provided lug nuts to the wheel. Then arrange the center cap over the lug nuts. Bolt down the center cap to the lug nuts with the Allen screws that are provided. Don't worry about using power tools. Our cap is reinforced so it doesn't break. It doesn't look the same as the original cap, but it covers that void and looks pretty good at that same time. Available at A2iWheelandTire.com.